awesome. They sent me a license plate holder bonus when I ordered this candy. So this is the offset bracket, and this mounts where the tow hook attaches, I'm pretty sure. So there you go, finally. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get this car high enough to where the lifter arms are able to actually fit under the car, since it's lowered now. I finally got it with the help of some blocks. There you go. You gotta be very careful though when you do it, so you don't slip and stuff. It's finally done. So let's just get it up. These fucking bolts, man. How is this supposed to come off? It's gonna be really hard to show you. It looks like 4 bolts holding in the tow hook. Now these, okay, looks like there's only 3, but I'm not going to be able to fit this ratchet in there. So we're going to try to use just a normal wrench. Okay. Finally, that took way too long. let's get the brackets. So here's the license plate brackets. This one will bolt on to where the tow hook was attached, and this is basically just holding the license plates. However, this I'm adjusting here. I'm not sure what part goes where though. Well, kind of. I'll show you. This bolts on where the tow hook was. Then this, there's this little chrome bracket, which I'm not sure what to do with, because you could have it installed just like I had it. This one there, and then the other bolt through there. But then you don't get very much adjustment with that. However, if you remove it, you could, oops, let's see, have it like this and adjust the length and everything. So I'm not sure, but I'm gonna just install this one first. I'm also not sure if I should install it this way or this way. I'm not sure. I feel like this way. I think it's this way. Let's see. Okay, so I just checked some pictures and seems like it should be installed this way, not this way, which makes sense. So let's get to it. Welcome back. It's actually been a few days since I installed the new license plate holder. I haven't watched the footage of that yet, and I'm afraid that it wasn't so great because I was really in a hurry when I did that. I was on a tight time schedule. But I'm back. I've got some things that I need to do. First off, I really need to get the car washed because it's dirty. And I'm also getting my haircut today, because why not? Yeah, I guess that's not a lot to do, but... Oh, and I realized I haven't showed you this. I haven't even showed you these ramps that I built for the car. I actually did that way before I even got the coilovers, because I knew that once I lower this car, I'm not going to be able to get up into the shop because of this ledge. So I just bought these ramps and modify them a bit. You can see my perfect welds. Perfect. No, but it works. This is the underside. Yeah, it holds up, so the Miata doesn't weigh very much, so it's okay. Damn.
Nuddade vi sanden eller vattnet?
Jag vet inte, jag tror vi nuddade bort. Ja, det gör vi.
Svänger man?
Den tror jag. Jag vet inte vad det är.
Ja.
Nu framåt.